This is the Iron Trader. The pitch just closed here about 10 minutes ago. So as usual, we are going to review crude oil and natural gas. At the end of the video, the support and resistance levels will be posted. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy or sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude, your daily chart. Okay, now if you watched my video this morning, you notice that I pointed out this area right here as a possible bear flag. The key word here is possible. Now, once it closes above this candle here, then that bear flag is negated, okay? So now what we want to do is we want to watch this key 21. That's 71.14, okay? If you can close above, then we look right here to this candle right here. You're looking at 72.33. We look here, 73.28, and then we look at 74, which is your 50 SMA. That would be the target, and then right above is we have your price channel sitting at 74.73, and then we have your 100 at 74.86. And obviously, if it closes above, you got 78.61, which is your 200-day SMA. Now, remember, when you trade charts, okay, you always want to try to get some kind of an edge, okay? So you want to look like for bear flag patterns, okay? You want to look for bull flag patterns. You want to look at all your support and resistance levels off your candlesticks, off your SMAs here. Okay, you want to watch your trend lines, double bottoms, double tops. Anything that'll give you an edge is what you want to look at. Okay, now on the downside, what you want to do is always look here. Now, this is sitting at 70.17. There's your 8 SMA. So you're stuck between your 21 there and your 8 SMA. Now, if that's lost, then look to today's low. Okay, that's 68.14. Then we'll come over here to this candle, 67.15. And then you have your big retest there sitting at 66.80. Okay. Now, we just have basically still a sideways pattern. That 21-day is going to be real tough resistance. But again, if it goes higher, then we know where it's going. So watch these price channels, 74.73 and 66.80 for the direction. All right, let's take a look here on the old weekly and monthly. Okay, weekly chart. Here we have key support is looking at that 67.37. That's your 200 SMA. So far, it's holding up really nicely. Now, if it's lost, then we look at this candle here, you're looking at 67.38, 64.36, and then your big retest there of 63.64. When you look at these 8 SMA and the 21, see how they're rolling down? See how this 50 is rolling down? Same way with on the old daily chart. See, that's really not a good sign there. So basically, on the upside, you want to watch 71.98. Then we look at the top of this candle here. You're looking at 73.28, 73.55, and then your 21 SMA here, looking at 74.77, and then get above 81.18, and then the top of your price channel there is sitting at 83.53. But I don't like this down level here. See how that's just pushing down. Now, on your monthly, okay, really not much of a change. You got 66.09 on the bottom. That is your 50 SMA here, and then we have your 200 SMA sitting at 72.74. Basically, you're trading within that range. You get above, and then we can go to 75.95 and obviously 85.57. That'll be the next level after that. It's just that I just don't really care for this. But again, it's good daily scalps. But what you really need is just a blast higher, this 8-day above that 21-day. Then she would rip right on off. All right, let's take a look here at the old natural gas. All right, natural gas. Wow, look at there. She's alive. Big, flat. But this, again, is building a huge base. Now, today's candle is a really good candle there. You're above all the SMAs here now. So you look at your 100. This would be 2.37, okay? That's going to be a support level there. You have your 21 there sitting at 2.34. That's going to be a support. You have your 8 SMA here sitting at 2.33, and then we have your 50-day sitting at 2.27, and then obviously if that's lost, you got 2.13, and then 1.946, your big retest. But you have a really nice, you've had really 3 good days of green here, and then today is pow. But, big but here, you got to get above that price channel sitting at 2.685. That is going to be the key. Then if you can, then you can go all the way up here to this 200-day at 4.27. Okay, let's take a look here on the old weekly and the monthly charts. Okay, here comes natty gas. Now, obviously, this flat line here, but now look where we are. Okay, you're 21, 2.37. Your 8-day here sitting at 2.34. Now the price is right above, but look at all right here. Okay, you got 2.56 here. Okay, you got 2.685. That is going to be the key level. If you can get above, then you got a good shot here, running all the way up to that 3.75, that 200 SMA. That would be the target here. But let's just see what it is. One day does not make a market here. Now, I did trade scalp Boyle here. I scalped it twice, and I got 40 cents out of Boyle here so far. I'm trading 10,000 shares. So it was a really, really good day here as far as natty gas trading. It's just that it needs to keep it up. You're just still sideways action. Now, on your monthly, you can see it's just like a whole lot of nothing. If you can get up higher, then you have a 100-day sitting right there. You're looking at 3.25. That would be your next level if you can blast right on that. All right, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow morning before 8 o'clock, and we'll go over the old crude ski and natty gas.